Manavada Mamuni, in his Grantham Upadesha Ratnamala, now tells us about Kulasekara Alvar in the 13th Pasuram. Kulasekara Alvar was born in 8th century in the month of Masi, star Punarpusam. It's the birth star of Sri Ram. This little prince was an amsam of Kaustubham, the divine gemstone that adorns Sriman Narayana. King Kulasekara was groomed to be a king. Once, when Kulasekara was asleep, Lord Venkateshwara appeared and said, "Remain true to the path of steadfast devotion and love. Realize your purpose in life." This was a life-changing experience for him. With the appearance of Lord of Tirumala, Kulasekara had been awakened. He invited Vaishnavite scholars and immersed himself in a higher level of spiritual learning. He became a huge devotee of Sri Ram. He would spend long hours in listening to the discourses about the holy epic Ramayana. Kulasekar installed a beautiful golden statue of Sri Ram in his place. On the auspicious day of Ram Navami, the king was shocked to find the precious Navaratna necklace missing from the deity. The minister accused the Bhagavatas of stealing the necklace. The king did not believe and wanted to prove this. The king was so confident that the Bhagavatas could not do such an act. He put his hand in a pot filled with poisonous snakes, as per ancient custom, to prove their innocence, and was unharmed when he withdrew his hand. Kulasekara's faith in the Bhagavatas grew stronger. When the ministers confessed their role in stealing to wean the king away from spirituality, he decided and handed over the kingdom to his son and immersed himself to spirituality. He was so involved with Lord Rama that he composed lot of pasarans on Sri Ram. Sri Ram bestowed upon him the title Kulasekara Perumal. He composed 105 Perumal Tirumuri Pasurams, the first 30 of them dedicated to Lord Ranganatha. The next 10 Pasurams was dedicated to Lord Srinivasa of Tirumalai. The most famous is Sediyaya Valvinegal Thirkum Tirumale, Nediyane Vengadava Nin Koilin Vasal, Adiyarum Vanavarum Arambayarum Kidandu Engum, Padiyai Kidandu Un Pavalavai Kanbene. In honor of Kulasekara Alvar's wishes, till today, the doorstep leading to the sanctum of the Tirumala is called Kulasekar Padi. Padi is step. The last 30 Pasurams in Perumal Tirumuri, the Alvar dedicated it to Sri Ram. It was more a lullaby to Lord Ram, considering Lord Ram as a baby. மன்னுப்புகழ் கௌசலை தன் மணிவயிறு வாய்த்தவனே, தென்னிலங்கை கோன்முடிகள் சிந்துவித்தாய் செம்பொன்சேர், கண்ணினன் மாமதில் புடைசூர் கணபுரத்தின் கருமணியே, என்னுடைய இன்னமுதே ராகவனே தாலேலோ. Now the 13th Pasuram of Manavala Mamuni's Upadesa Ratnamalai. மாசி புனர்பூசம் காண்மின் இன்று மண்ணுலகீர், தேசே திவசத்துக்கு ஏது எண்ணில் பேசுகின்றேன் கொல்லி நகர்கோன் குலசேகரன் பிறப்பால் நல்லவர்கள் கொண்டாடும் நாள். Meaning, oh, the people of the world, today is Masi. Masi is the month. Star Punarpusam. I will tell you the glory associated with this day. It is the day on which the people of erudition celebrate the incarnation of the ruler of Kolli, Kulasekara Alvar, in this world. Kulasekara Alvar, Tiruvadigalé Sharanam. மணவாள மாமுனிகள் திருவடிகளே சரணம்.